Hello students, today we are going to discuss the equilibrium that is beam and its numerical. Okay. First numerical is find reaction at the support of beam applying conditions of equilibrium. Okay. So we want to find out the support reactions means at A support and at B support. Now A support is a hinge support and B is a roller support. First of all, draw the FBD of this AB beam. Okay, by removing this support and show the external forces on that. Okay, by removing here hinge support, for the hinge support there are the two reaction, one horizontal, one vertical, and at B is a roller support and that is the horizontal surface is a horizontal, so that's why reaction is perpendicular to the horizontal surface, means that is vertical reaction and towards the surface. Okay, so by applying these conditions, so draw the FBD of this beam AB. Okay, so this is the FBD. By removing that, show here horizontal and vertical force for A hinge support and B roller support, only one reaction towards the surface. Okay, external loading 10 kilonewton, 5 kilonewton meter couple is there, then one inclined force at 45-degree angle, and along with the couple moment 6 kilonewton meter. Okay, then write down the distances, okay, of these forces. This is the FBD of this entire beam AB. Now apply the three conditions. Count the number of forces: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 forces. Means here the condition of equilibrium is 4 and more forces, and if you observe these forces, these are the non-coplanar forces. So second condition, 4 and more forces. The second condition is for non concurrent forces. So we have the three equations: summation fx 0, summation fy 0 and moment 0. Now apply one by one on this FBD. Okay, now this is the FBD unknown 1, AY, AX and RB, 3 unknown, and we have the three equations. So we can solve this 3 unknown or find out this 3 unknown by 3 equation. Okay, first apply the summation fx. AX towards left side, so minus AX. This 8 kilonewton force is the inclined force, so its x component, okay, its horizontal component is towards the right side. This is the fourth quadrant force, so towards right side, and angle is with x, so that is 8 cos of 45. So 8 cos of 45 minus AX is equal to 0, so we will get the AX first. Secondly, apply the moment equation about A point. Okay, if we apply the moment equation at A, AX and AY is passing through A, so its moments are, both forces moments are 0. Then this 8 kilonewton force, horizontal component, 8 cos of 45, the line of action is passing through the point A, so that's why 8 kilonewton cos 45 moment is 0 about point A. Now remaining is 10 kilonewton. Its vertical component, 8 kilonewtons vertical component means 8 sine of 45. Then this RB and these two moments, clockwise and anti-clockwise moments. So apply one by one. First of all, that RB is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise plus RB into perpendicular distance, this complete distance from A point. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. Okay, so total is 9. So RB into 9. Then this 10 kilonewton force, it is rotating about A in clockwise direction like this. So minus 10 into 3. Then this vertical component of this 8 kilonewton is towards downward direction. So it is rotating about A in clockwise direction. So clockwise means minus 8 sine of 45 into 6. 3 plus 3, 6. Okay, plus this 5 kilonewton meter that is given, couple is there, so take as it is, and it is anti-clockwise, so plus 5. This clockwise couple 6 kilonewton meter, so minus 6, okay, equal to 0. Now here only RB is unknown, so if we simplify that, do the calculation, we will get the value of RB. Okay, this is 7.216 kilonewton Okay, then apply the last condition, summation fy is equal to 0. Ay plus ay minus 10 minus 8 sine of 45 plus rb. Okay, here rb value, put this rb value from equation number 1, we'll get the, simplify that and we'll get the ay. Okay, so likewise ay भी हमने निकाल दिया, ax भी निकाल दिया and rb भी निकाल दिया. Now here ax, ay, we want to find out the resultant reaction at point A. So that is equal to root of ax square plus ay square. Okay, put this two value here, we'll get this Ra, resultant reaction at point A, and its angle tan inverse of ay upon ax. If we do the calculation, tan inverse of this quantity, you will get the direction of Ra. This Ra is in which quadrant? Here ax is plus, ay is also plus. So it is in plus plus, means it is in first quadrant, Ra. Okay, Ra lies in the first quadrant. Now next numerical, determine reaction at the beam loaded and supported as shown in the figure. Now here again A is a hinge support, B is a roller support. Okay, the symbol of roller is look like, this symbol is look like this one. Okay, at point B. Now determine reactions at the beam loaded and supported as shown in the figure. Means we want to find out the A support reaction and B support reaction. Again do the same thing. First of all, draw the FBD of this beam AB. Okay, so FBD, A is a hinge support, so two reaction, B is a roller, that reaction surface is horizontal, so reaction is perpendicular to the surface, that is vertical towards the point B. Now external forces, draw as it is with along with the couple, write down the distances, then apply the three conditions. Okay, three conditions, summation moment at A are ax, ay, both are passing through the A, moments are 0. Now this one, this force rotating clockwise, minus 20 into 1 minus 34, don't multiply the by this 34 because it is a couple, then minus 10 into this 1 plus 1.2 plus 1.2, that is equal to 3.4, and plus this RB is rotating anti-clockwise, so plus RB into addition of this 2, so that is equal to 4.4. Now here only RB is unknown, so we will get the RB, okay, value of RB. Then apply the summation Fy plus AY minus 20 minus 10 plus RB. RB हमने पहले ही निकाल लिया, already we do the calculation and get the value of this RB. So here only unknown is AY, and if we put this value of RB from equation number 1, so you will get the AY. Now here AX, summation Fx is equal to 0. Here only AX is a horizontal force, no other horizontal force, and also no other inclined force is there. So AX, value of AX is 0. So these are the value of that support reaction at point A and at point B. Now next, find the reaction at the support of the beam AB loaded and supported as shown in the figure. Again we want to find out the reaction at B point here and A point. B is a roller support, A is a hinge support. But here additional thing is that this is a that is UVL, uniformly varying load, and UDL from D to A, and one along with the couple and one force, inclined force 3 kilonewton, which is having the angle 45 degree. Now first of all, draw the FBD. Now draw the FBD means here by removing this B support, this is a roller, only one reaction towards this point, A support, hinge, two reaction at A, one horizontal, one vertical, and this convert this UVL, uniformly varying load or triangular load, into a point load, and UDL into a point load. Okay, so that by converting means find out the area of a triangle, half base into height. So base is 6, height is 2, so half into 2 into 6. So 2 get cancelled, we get the 6 kilonewton. Where it is acting? From the base, this is the base, 90 degree means this is the base and this point is the apex. So from the base B by 3 or L by 3 and from the apex 2B by 3. Okay, so base B by 3 means base is 6. So 1 by 3 into B. So 6. Okay, so we'll get the 2 meter from this B point. Then this is the inclined force 3 kilonewton. Okay, so make it a 2 component to 2 horizontal and vertical component. So 3 cos of 45 and 3 sin of 45. This couple along at the point 10 kilonewton meter. From D to A, that is the UDL is there, the length or base is the or rectangular load is there, and the base of the rectangle is 4 meter and height of the rectangle is 2. So area is base into height, 4 into 2, 8 kilonewton. Where it is acting? Exactly length, half of the length of that AB. Okay, DA. So DA is 4 meter, 4 by 2 means from D point 2 meter, from A point 2 meter. So D point 2 meter, 2 meter from A point. And at the hinge point, 2 reaction, because it is a hinge support. So AX, AY, these are the 2 reactions. Now apply, this is the complete FBD, correct FBD. Now apply here 3 equations, summation Fx, summation Fy and moment equation one by one. Now first is the summation moment at point A. So if we apply here at point A, you can apply at point B also. So at point A, AX, AY both are passing through the A, moment is 0. Now this force and also this horizontal component, line of action is passing through the point A, that's why its moment is also 0. Okay, now this force, 8 kilonewton, is rotating anti-clockwise, 8 into 2. Okay, 8 into 2 plus 8 into 2. This is anti-clockwise couple plus 10. Okay, don't multiply this couple by distance because it is already multiplied. Okay, then 6 kilonewton, this is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. So 6 into 9 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, that is equal to 30. And RB is rotating in clockwise. So minus RB into complete this distance, that is equal to 50. So we will get the RB by calculating. Then summation Fy, if we apply, plus RB minus 6 minus 3 sin 45 minus 8 plus AY. Okay, so here only AY is unknown, so we will get the AY. Then summation Fx is equal to 0. Now here summation Fx, so x component, this horizontal force 3 cos of 45 and plus AX. So AX is equal to 2.212 kilonewton. Now resultant reaction at A, root of AX square plus AY square. Put this value of AX and AY in this formula, you will get this value of RA in magnitude. And theta, tan inverse of AY upon AX, you will get the theta. Again, the direction or RA lies in which quadrant? By comparing this AX sign and AY sign. Again here AX is plus, AY is also plus. So RA is lies in a first quadrant, plus plus. Okay, so these are the answers, support reactions and resultant reaction at A point. Now this numerical, a simply supported beam AB of span 6 meters, span means length of that beam, is loaded and supported as shown in the figure. Find reactions at the support at A and B. Here A is a simple support, B is also simple support. So this is a very simple numerical. Only that thing is that one triangular load or uniformly varying load is there. Convert that UVL into a point load. Now first of all, find out the area of the triangle, half base into height. Base is 2, height is 15 kilonewton per meter. So convert that. So 2 get cancelled, that is point load is 15 kilonewton, and exactly from this point is base, from the base B by 3 and from the apex 2B by 3. So that will be that 2B by 3 means that length is 2, and we want to calculate from this point. So that is, if we calculate that, so 2.33, and from this support, that is 1.67 meter. Now apply the same thing. This is the FBD, because this is A and B is a simple support, so no need to draw that reactions, only one reaction at the simple support. So apply the three conditions of equilibrium: summation Fy plus Ay. So summation Fy is equal to R plus Ra plus Rb minus 10 minus 15 minus 10. Okay, so that is equal to, this equation equal to Ra Rb is unknown, so that equation is number 1. Now apply the moment at A is equal to 0. This 10 into 1, 15 into minus 10 into 1 minus 15 into this perpendicular reaction, plus 10 into this reaction, and Rb is into this complete 6 meter. So you will get Rb, put this here in the equation number 1, you will get the Ra. Okay, Ra and Rb हमें मिल गया. So that is this by applying only two unknowns, two equations for the two unknowns Ra and Rb. So these are the answers. Determine reaction at the beam loaded and supported as shown in the figure. 50 kilonewton force is inclined at 30 degree to horizontal. Okay, this 50 kilonewton is having the angle 30 degree, and one UDL from this point to P point. So over the span of 2 meter, height of that UDL is 15 kilonewton. Okay, rectangle की height 15 kilonewton per meter है. And B is a hinge support, A is a roller support. Again draw here FBD of this beam and convert this UDL into a point load. Remove this support, show the support reaction. So FBD of this beam is like this: roller support, one horizontal reaction, because so one vertical reaction because this surface is horizontal. This 50 kilonewton, okay, angle is with 30 degree. So two components, horizontal and vertical. So that is cos of 50 cos of 30, and this towards left side, and vertical component downward 50 sine of 30. This UDL converted into point load, base into height, base to height is 15, 2 into 15 30, where it is acting from the B point exactly L by 2, so half of this length, so 1 meter from the B point, 30 kilonewton. Okay, then B is the hinge supports, one horizontal reaction, one vertical reaction, and at the end of that beam 30 kilonewton weight is there, vertical weight, downward weight. So this is the entire FBD of this beam. Now apply the one by one three conditions. Moment at B is 0. These two, Bx and By, both are passing through this point B, so moment is 0. This horizontal force, line of action, is passing through this B, so that is also a 0. Now this 30 kilonewton is rotating clockwise, minus 30 into 1. Okay, this 30 is in anti-clockwise direction, so plus 30 into 1. Then this 50 sine 30 is rotating anti-clockwise, so plus 50 sine 30 into 3, this perpendicular distance, and Ra is rotating clockwise, so Ra into 5. Okay, so you will get the Ra, only one unknown is there, so Ra हमें मिल गया. Then apply the summation Fy plus Ra minus 50 sine 30 minus 30 plus By and minus 30. So you will get here By by calculating. So we will get the By. Then summation Fx is equal to 0. Minus 50 cos of 30, because it is a towards left side, so minus 50 cos of 30, and plus Bx because it is towards right side. So we will get the Bx. Again यहाँ पे हम B resultant reaction at B भी हम निकाल सकते हैं. Okay, so this is a homework. Do this homework. Here it is a simple beam AB along with the UDL from A to C over the span 4 meter. हमें यहाँ पे support reaction निकालनी है beam के लिए, and these are the answers. Okay, so do this as a homework. This is the second homework. Again we want to find out the reactions at the support at A and B. A is a hinge, B is a roller support. Okay, answers are given. Now next, determine the horizontal and vertical components of reaction at the support for the beam as shown in the figure. Here one inclined force is there given, but here angle of that inclination of that force is not given, means direction is not given, but slope is given. So we can find out, suppose this is a vertical line 4 and this is 3. So in this right angle triangle, because this is a vertical and horizontal line, so in this right angle triangle, this is the angle theta. We want to find out this theta. So we can find out this theta. Theta is equal to, means opposite angles, opposite and adjacent side is given. So tan inverse of 4 divided by 3. So we will get that angle theta. Okay. So first of all find out this angle. Baki all remaining things are very simple, because B is a roller support, only one reaction, A is a hinge support, so 2 reactions, very simple numerical. Okay, so 2 reaction at A, 1 B. These are the 2 horizontal and vertical component. After calculating that 5 cos of theta and 5 sin of theta, so that comes 3 kilonewton and 4 kilonewton. Okay, now apply the same summation Fx, Fy and moment equal to 0. Now if we apply the moment at A both are 0. This 3 kilonewton is passing through the A, its moment is 0. This 4 is rotating, 4 kilonewton is rotating and clockwise, so minus 4 into 2. RB is rotating anti-clockwise, RB plus 4 and 1 clockwise couple, so minus 6 kilonewton meter. So RB 3.5 kilonewton. Okay, value of RB comes 3.5 kilonewton. If we apply the next equation, summation Fy plus Ay minus 4 plus RB. So here RB की value हमें already मिल गई है. Put that here in this equation, you will get the Ay. And summation Fx plus Ax plus 3. Okay, so Ax is equal to minus 3. मतलब we assume that this Ax horizontal component at A point is towards the right side, but it is minus sign. Minus means value is, magnitude is minus, means what? Assume direction के opposite exactly. So right side में नहीं है, उसके opposite मतलब left side में होना चाहिए. So Ax is equal to 3 kilonewton towards left side. So these are the answers. Thank you.